Hello everyone, I am Guy Selga from touringplans.com, and today we have a different kind of hotel review. We're at Toy Story Hotel here in Tokyo Disney Resort, and this is a newer hotel. It's not the newest hotel at Tokyo Disney Resort anymore since Fantasy Springs Hotel opened, but it opened a couple of years ago. And you would think it's a value hotel, and it is the cheapest of the Tokyo Disney Resort hotels, but it's still anywhere from $400 to $600 a night. There are a couple perks, which I will explain later, but first I just want to walk you through the room and give you a little review. All right, coming into the room, we have this little shelf right here where you can put your luggage, and there's also some slippers with Woody on them. And there is no closet, but there is a line of hangers where you can hang four whole items. I do like the little push pin here. On this wall, you have a Mickey clock and some desk space. And down here is an ice bucket with some cups and looks like some tea. In here, you have the safe and a flashlight. And in these drawers, you have some Buzz Lightyear themed pajamas. And this one is a fridge. So going into the room, here's the two beds, which looks like one big bed, and the iconic Toy Story cloud wallpaper. We got a drawing of Woody and Buzz on the wall and a Buzz Lightyear poster over there. Here's the nightstand. It's got a couple plugs and USB Type A plugs on the bottom and switches for the lights. The TV is a big giant Etch-a-Sketch. That's a nice touch. And this right here folds down into a third bed with some real cute artwork. Here's another look at the sleeping area. My friend who I'm staying with just pointed this out. There is another bed underneath one of the beds that slides out. So, a lot of hidden beds here. A decent amount of room. I believe these are double beds. And like a lot of the beds in this country, they're on the firm side. Now we will go into the bathroom area. There is a barn-style sliding door to close off the sink area, a stepping stool, and a wastebasket and a laundry basket because there is laundry on site. And there is a hair blow dryer right there and some tissues on the other side. A decent amount of counter space, and you get a whole amenity kit that is themed to the hotel, which is really nice. We got some cotton swabs, a hair tie, hairbrush, toothbrushes, washcloths. What more could you need? And some cups over here. Here's the mirror. And we have the toilet room. There is a glorious bidet. And we got some puzzle piece wallpaper. And now here we have the shower room. Shampoo, body wash, and conditioner bolted to the wall. And a tub. Look at that artwork, that's pretty good. In front of the hotel, I wanted to show you there's Slinky Dog Park, which looks a lot like Toy Story Land. Same aesthetic in Disney's Hollywood Studios. And we have Jessie over there. We got all the Tinker toys. Buzz Lightyear. A little doghouse, Zurg. And then here's a good look at the exterior of the hotel. So yeah, cute. And the parking structure is themed after an RC Racer game. And then over here we got the Luxo ball. Wait, is that what it's called? The Luxo ball or just the Pixar ball? Anyway, with some domino seats. Here at the entrance, the board game kind of aesthetic continues. And then into the lobby. It's like one of those old slot car raceway things going on. Another board game on the roof. And there's the gift shop over there, Gift Planet. The check-in counter, the You've Got a Friend in Me light bright thing. It's cute. And over there, you can store your luggage when you check in the morning. Just off of the lobby is this little courtyard here with some little green men, some more Tinker Toys. Looks like there's more Toy Story characters up there. Oh, there's Ham. I also wanted to show you each of the hotels here at Tokyo Disney Resort have their own hotel keys, and Toy Story Hotel is no different. This is what their key looks like. Kind of plain, but it's cool that it's unique. At the Toy Story Hotel, they have a nano block set of the Toy Story Hotel. Look at that. Like the area in the front of the hotel, in this atrium in the middle, there's another little park with more characters and Tinker Toys. There's Woody. Nice little cute area. There's a bunch of kids running around. And a really nice view of Tokyo Bay. Here's a look at the hotel. Now, what are my thoughts on the Toy Story Hotel? It is very pricey, but if you book it with a Tokyo Disney Resort vacation package, you get the coveted Fantasy Springs ticket, which gets you guaranteed entry into the land and unlimited rides on the Fantasy Springs rides. Who knows how long that'll last? I have a feeling that will be a perk that will be available for a while, and that's worth its weight in gold. You also get a couple of little trinkets. You get a popcorn bucket with a place for wet naps at the top, or a popcorn holder, I should say. And you also get these unlimited drink coupons, which gets you soft drinks and specialty drinks from some of the restaurants in the parks. Now, as for the location, it is located directly across from the Bayside Station. So you just walk out the front of the hotel, or there is a bus, and you can just go straight to the Bayside Station and catch the resort line, aka the monorail, to Disney Sea or Tokyo Disneyland. I'm not sure if I would pay straight cash to stay here off of the vacation package, because there's not really many perks. You used to get early entry into the theme parks. You used to get 15 minutes. They would call it Happy 15, but they've removed that perk. You no longer get that for the Toy Story Hotel. But other than that, the theme is comprehensive, as you saw from the other parts of the video. It's cute, and if you're a Toy Story fan, you're gonna love it. So if you stayed here, let me know what you think in the comments, and if you haven't stayed, let me know why or why not you would stay here. And until next time, thanks for watching.